Hello, welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. Today I'm going to be showing you how to decorate a corner. Now, these walls are really high. These ceilings are really high. So this is going all the way upstairs to my second floor. And this corner just looks a little empty to me. So what I'm going to do is show you how I'm shopping my home, utilizing things in different ways. I do not like to utilize certain things the way they should be. I like to make it more creative and make it more, oh wow, like visually appealing. So let's get into this video. What you want to do is make sure the items are not too big. That way you still have the walk space, which that is a big space. I don't know if it comes off as that in the video, but it is a big space. And I'm going to show you how I take some things that used to be in my old dining room and I'm going to redesign them in this corner. So let's get ready. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this CPR design revive. And guess what, guys? This right here is another way I like to use candle holders. You do not have to use them for their actual purpose. You can do something different. And let me zoom in. These actual faux succulents was a DIY I did a couple of years ago, and these used to be on my credenza in my living room, and now they're here, and I like the look of the green and the rustic look in the woods and stuff like that. It just really does something for me. So always remember that it is your space. Do what pleases you, and you do not have to use things the way they say, quote unquote, it should be used. I don't use candle holders for candles. Most of the time I'm using them for something else, and you will see that in a lot of areas in my home where I take and use candle holders in a totally different way. These used to have three rustic looking like rattan balls on them, but I wanted to break it up, and I'm using the other rattan balls in another area, which will be another revive that you guys will see. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please share my channel, because I'm going to be giving you so many great ideas on things to do in your home, and you don't want to miss the video for the artwork that I'm going to be putting in this huge ceiling. All right, guys, I will talk to you guys later, gators. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. Share the channel, and I will see you guys later, gators.